Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the toasting step now. Slice whole grain or sourdough into roughly 1/2 to 1 inch pieces and spread them single layer. Once done, drizzle 1 tablespoon olive oil and toss with a pinch of salt and dried herbs if you want more flavor. Make sure to preheat the oven to 180 degrees C so the bread dries evenly rather than steaming. You'll toast until golden and crisp. This creates structure and concentrates flavor while keeping nutrients intact. Once the toasted pieces are cool, you'll move to processing. Cooling prevents clumping and sogginess. Place batches in a food processor and pulse to your target texture. Pulse briefly for coarse crumbs or longer for fine, dust-like crumbs. Make sure to pause and scrape down the bowl so everything processes evenly. Then taste and season progressively. Add 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder or 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and pulse once more so flavors distribute without turning the crumbs into. You finish by cooling completely and transferring crumbs to an airtight jar for up to 2 weeks at room temperature, or freeze flat in labeled bags for up to 6 months. Make sure to press out excess air before sealing so moisture won't return. If you find crumbs became soft or soggy, retoast them for 5 to 10 minutes at 150 degrees C to dry and crisp. Then pulse briefly to refresh texture. This fixes moisture issues without sacrificing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.